When Garden Time was at the Haldeclaig or Lilac Gardens, we learned something about taking the flowers indoors for bouquets, and it's about helping them to last longer. And it's as easy as taking the stems and getting a hammer and just gently smashing the ends, and then you're opening up the vascular system so it brings water into the flowers to let them bloom.
And if you're not comfortable using a hammer to smash on your flowers, you could also use your clippers and basically just put a slice in the ends like this vertically. So what that does is opens it up, also allows that water to come in, stick in the water, and it'll make your lilacs last longer.